X2 Extreme delivers the ultimate user experience in tough environments. Strong connectivity lets you present any data and interact safely. X2 Extreme supports you when you work outdoors in extreme temperatures, from Arctic cold to desert heat. The panels give you optimal viewability, even in the strongest sunlight. X2 Extreme HMIs are built for challenging, wet surroundings. They are fully certified for secure onboard operation and certified for safe use in hazardous locations. They are at home in tough environments with high vibration. X2 Extreme comes with rugged PLC functionality that traditional PLCs can't deliver. Mounting is flexible, either by using the built-in panels or the new, fully sealed types with Versa mount. X2 Extreme panels come in 7, 12 and 15-inch sizes within 3 main categories, all supported by iX HMI software and Warp Engineering Studio. Designed to make work easier, better and safer. X2 Extreme, rugged HMIs for tough environments. Strong, stylish, smart.